Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random email number of your Ulefone Armor X12. Okay, so in this bar we need to type the email number of our device, I mean the normal one. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you how to find it, and also you can scroll down and see a quick instruction how you can do it on your own. Okay, now click on check email. Now our armor appeared on the screen. Scroll down until you find the basic checks, and third option from the top is random email generator. Simply click on that, click on generate random email, and now we have 10 random email numbers. We can copy each one of them by clicking on that icon, or we can copy all of them at the same time by clicking copy all emails. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.